Hey developers, today's video is going to be interesting because today I'm going to show you how you can host your Discord bot directly in Visual Studio Code, easily and completely free, running 24/7. As you know, my Automod series is ongoing, so let me show you how to get this bot online. You can host any type of bot this way. But before we move forward, please like this video as much as possible and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos and tutorials. We need to reach 1K subscribers quickly, so let's see how fast you can make it happen. And yes, if you need the source code for any of my videos or playlists, you can visit my Patreon. If you're looking for pre-made Discord bots, I've provided a link in the description. You can check them out there. So first of all, I've provided a link in the description. You need to visit this website, and I'll switch to English here. If you go to the pricing section, you'll see all their plans, which are also affordable. But today, we'll see how to do this for free. We'll click on enter here, and you'll need to log in either through GitHub or Discord. I'll quickly log in using GitHub. After logging in, you'll see a dashboard like this. Go to the API section, and if you don't see any API already, you need to create one here. Then, you'll get this API key. Next, open the Discord bot you want to host in Visual Studio Code. Go to the Extensions tab and search for DisCloud. You'll find this extension. Quickly install it. Once it's installed, you'll see an icon appear here. Click on it, and it will ask for the DisCloud token. Click here and enter the API key you got from the DisCloud website. After that, press enter, and you'll be successfully logged in. Now, let's get our bot online. Go to the Files section and right-click, you'll see DisCloud. Click on it and then on Config. A config file will be created where we need to provide one to two things. First, the main file of our bot. My bot's main file is src index.js, so I'll provide that. Then, the bot's name and whether you want auto restart to be true or false. I'll set it to true. After doing this, right-click again, go to DisCloud, and select Upload to DisCloud. In a short while, your entire bot will be uploaded to DisCloud. The time it takes depends on your files and folders. Once it's uploaded, you'll see your bot online when you check. Let's go to Discord and see. As you can see, our bot is online. Let's try its commands. You can see I'm very impressed with its speed. It responds very quickly, which is great. And yes, when you go back to Visual Studio and right-click, you can manage everything from within Visual Studio Code, like restarting the app, stopping the app, deleting, and terminal. And even your logs will be shown here. And now, if you've created a new command or made some changes to the bot, I'll show you how to update it. So, for example, if I write some code here, after that, you need to right-click, go to DisCloud, but this time select Commit Changes. Then, click on Yes, and in just a short time, your bot will be updated. After that, simply go here and restart the app. That's it for today. If you still face any issues, you can join our Discord. We're always ready to help you. We also need some moderators for our server, so if you're interested, join our Discord server.